are making some spooky recipes back in the spooky kitchen. So I hope you guys are excited because I am. Today I am using the Horror Movie Night Cookbook by Richard S. Sargent. And we are making the jack-o'-lantern bites inspired by 1978's Halloween, a classic. And these are pumpkin ravioli in a brown butter sauce with toasted pecans. I'm so excited. Shout out to Mama Hickman for getting me this book because the recipes and drink cocktails, everything in here, it looks so freaking delicious. So I will have an affiliate link below if you would like to purchase this cookbook. But let's go ahead and get started with everything you're gonna need. You're going to need all-purpose flour, pumpkin puree, toasted and chopped pecans, whole cloves, salt. You're going to need nutmeg, cinnamon powder, and pepper as well, butter, brown sugar, balsamic vinegar, and lastly, quite a few eggs. All right, let's get into it. I am nervous because hand-making pasta is no small feat, so I hope this goes well. We shall see. Okay. All right, sorry, the water is running because I needed to warm up so that I can get hot water. But first we're gonna, oh my God, bro. First we're gonna add in all of our flour. They said no, no. You ain't succeeding today. It's like literally fetching. Oh! Mix the flour with the salt. Be prepared to like.
What do you have to do? Oh. You're fine. You're fine. It's not boiling water. You should be fine.
Okay. I feel like that's better. Now that there's like one in there, I was just worried it was gonna like curdle if it. Just that one egg with like hot water like that. Should have used the bigger bowl. Cause I literally like can't whisk. There we go.
We all learn.
We all make mistakes, that's all right.
And didn't Hannah Montana say something like that?
Huh? Okay, I think I got them all.
I like that you're doing this in your Easy Bake Coven shirt. That look was serving. I'm very proud of you. That's great.
Until well blended. Okay. Now we mix the wet and the dry. Do a little bit. I can't believe I'm making fresh pasta. This is seriously gonna go one of two ways. Okay, it says that I need to knead it, so I'm like, I might as well get my hands in there because this is gonna take a second to get like all.
Oh yeah, you're gonna be kneading it for a minute.
Welcome to Holly's kitchen. This seems right. I'm sure this is exactly how they do it in Italy.
You should have floured your hands first.
I should have.
It's not too late if you want to pour some.
It's not too late?
No, I mean.
Okay. It's just funny because it says knead the dough until firm, but then it says you don't want it too wet, too sticky, or too dry. And
yeah.
I'm like, okay, I don't know.
I think you definitely need more flour is what that's looking like.
Well, there's still flour in the bottom of the bowl that needs to get like incorporated.
Okay. Yeah.
So I think once that does, I think we'll be golden.
You could use your cutting board, set the dough on that with some flour, and then keep incorporating more and use that to like push, roll, push, roll.
Okay, let me. Just give me a second.
Yeah, I'm gonna shut up and let you do what you gotta do.
That's kind of what I had it here for because I figured I would wrap it in the saran wrap on here.
So funny. funny, mate. I'm sorry.
This is why these videos do well though, because people love to watch me struggle. Okay. Look at that! I did that! I did that! Okay. Okay, now we need to let it rest for an hour, so I'm gonna go grab some saran wrap. And then we're gonna let her rest. All right, it's all packaged very nicely, and we're gonna let her rest for 1 hour. All right, now we're gonna move to the stove.
Sorry.
No, you were good. And we are going to open my can of non-spiced pumpkin puree.
Oh, lovely.
Yeah.
See my face.
Yeah. Yeah. Now we're gonna add our brown sugar. Mix her in. Nutmeg. We're just gonna eyeball the spices, y'all. Cinnamon. Some pepper. Mix it all together and you know you got the best of both.
worlds. I saw it. It flunk. It's okay. The cats will find it eventually.
Yeah, hopefully
I don't think they're allergic to pumpkin, are they?
Holly, stop. Don't like that. It also said ground cloves, and I actually only have whole cloves, so we're just gonna put them in a bag and beat them up. It says to heat until most of the liquid has evaporated, but to me it's all liquid, but like, it's pretty like thick.
I want it to look more like baby food, probably.
This looks like baby food to me, I'm not gonna lie.
I would say, I didn't know what that fucking was, and that didn't make me happy. Maybe a little bit more, because you see how like it's super wet in these like one sections, but
Okay.
yeah. Because keep in mind you lowered the heat too.
Yeah.
Mix it all together and you know you got the best of both worlds. Oh shit. Oh, was that the end of that? That was good, that was good. What's the one that goes?
Eyes on fire.
Thank you. Oh no.
Okay, I think this is, I don't know. What do you think? It's still like kind of liquidy, but I don't feel like it's thicker. I don't know. Maybe still a little thicker.
You can definitely, it's getting fragrant, which usually is a good thing, you know, like when you can get the fragrance, you know.
Yeah,
Okay.
definitely smelling in that way.
Definitely getting some clove.
Clove.
Definitely getting clove.
Yeah. Delicious. All right, now we're gonna wait for an hour and wait for the dough to rise. And it says to divide it into 4 parts. so I've got one part here, lightly flouring the top as well as the cutting board I'm using. And then we're just gonna roll it out super thin.
Yum.
Yum! It does look kind of gross. All right, you guys, so it says to boil them for 5 minutes each. I have some thicky girls just because at the very end, the like last couple pieces of dough did not want to thin out. So I'm gonna put these in this separate guy back here because they're probably gonna need longer than the 5 minutes recommended. And we can also go ahead and start the sauce. I don't need to toast the pecans because they've already been toasted. They're pre-toasted. So it does say to toast them, but I'm not gonna. Now we're going to melt the butter, which is already softened a ton, so it will not take long. I guess maybe I should toast the pecans just a little bit so they're like warm. You know?
Yeah. Are they like just for topping?
Yeah.
Then yeah, actually.
Some of them are opening up just a tad. That's all right. Ain't gonna be perfect. Sounded so good. Sorry. Quicker than that.
I feel like it's gonna make a great short reel, whatever you want to do.
Yay! I lied. I decided I am going to toast the pecans just so they're a little warm. All right, you guys, it's time for a taste test, and I've employed Zoe to help me decide how they're good, if they're good or not. But they're going to be really hot, so we need to be careful.
I want to make sure I get a good pecan bite.
Yeah, that's what I'm worried about being hot.
She is
pecans. Yeah, I was saying that I think these would be better if I actually use like a pasta thinner, because hand rolling these was a workout. They do smell good. Okay. It's not that bad. The ravioli definitely needs to be thinner.
This ravioli needs to be thinner. I also feel like their dough could have been more flavorful. Like I feel like they should have like required like some spices in their dough, because you can definitely like spice up a pasta.
Yeah,
But it's good.
I also definitely feel like I should have browned the butter a little bit longer for the sauce, because it is like a little thick and it's less like fragrant than like browned butter should be. It's like a little bit, it just falls a little flat. So that's user error. But if you want a very fall pumpkin-y recipe, I would recommend this one, but it's not a quick and easy one.
If you don't like pumpkin, I would not recommend it.
And I definitely think you could switch out the pumpkin for sweet potato if you prefer sweet potato.
Ooh, yeah.
All
But
right.
honestly, I mean, I don't usually like pumpkin, and these aren't bad.
Yeah. It's like not bad, but it's not the best thing I've ever had.
Yeah.
I don't think I'll make them again, to be honest. It's just too much work and not enough payoff for me. Maybe I would make them again
With a
if,
different filling, or like spice it different.
well, if I had a roller.
Mm.
And I probably would make them with sweet potato because I love sweet potato ravioli. Or butternut squash ravioli.
Good job, Holly. Proud of you.
Another spooky kitchen video
In the book.
underway. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a like. Hit that red subscribe button down below to come hang out with me on the channel because I'm uploading every single day until Halloween night. Also make sure and check out Zoe's channel. And if you still can't get enough of us, you can check out our podcast on Instagram and YouTube and Spotify and Apple Podcasts at chapters.pod. So thank you guys for watching this video and I'll see you tomorrow.
Shop her merch.
Yeah, shop the merch too. Boom.
Woohoo!
Okay, bye.